This is your exclusive sneak peek at Sophia. You can find her at paulayoung.com. Click on New, then Exclusive Sneak Peek.
Hi everyone, welcome to Beth's Best Hair. Thank you so much for being here. I am so excited because Paula Young is sponsoring this video tonight because I have a brand new style to show you in a brand new color. This is Sophia. The color is 3388-103S8 Cinnamon Swirl. Now some of you may recall I am wearing Dalton. I did a review of Dalton. This was a new release a month ago. I absolutely love this pixie. It has enough extra length on top so you can really get some fun and funky styles if that's what you're after. And this color is Buttered Toast. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, I haven't peeked yet. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the new color. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo, can you guys see that? She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you the inside of her cap first, then we'll get into all the deets. Alright, so we have your nice soft felt front here. We've got some open wefting, probably some permatease, and here where you see the lace, we do have the hair covered ear tabs, the bendy metal stay. No extended nape. We do have those Velcro closures. It does feel like a good amount of stretch. All right, so this is just a cute layered mid-length wig, and I love the dimension of the colors. I feel like you can see the auburn in here. That would be the 33. We have the 103. That's going to be the blonder bits. Our S8 is going to be that medium brown. It looks so pretty. Let's put it on. Woo! All right. I do have enough room in this cap, but I don't feel like it's too big. I think if you're smaller or petite head, you could tighten that, and it would absolutely work for you. And she just kind of naturally goes into those kind of flipped over sexy curtain bangs. Here's the stock photo. Let's go ahead and do a spin. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Look at this color, you guys. That's really cute. Really good movement too. Oh, I really like this a lot. It's a little bit retro and a little bit modern, isn't it? So this is made of those Whisper Light Canacolon fibers. It feels really nice, really soft. Now, I do feel like we have a little bit of permatease where you could see that strip of the lace so that you can get a little bit more volume up on top and kind of at the crown. But really and truthfully, it's pretty shake and go. So to me, the color almost seems like a melt or a long root where you have this kind of the number 8 right there. Then it gets a little bit lighter with the auburn, and then we go into the blonde. It reminds me a little bit of Sunlit Sable, and I had Natalia in Sunlit Sable. Really a pretty color, really looks beautiful out in the sunlight. But I also want to let you know that this is available in all 22 Paula Young colors, the preferred hues. You can find that color chart in the center of your catalog. So for styling this one, I want to keep true to the curtain bang. Really cute retro kind of vibe when you do it down the center, I feel like. I think it's super fun. I also want to remind you guys that when you're shopping at Paula Young, you can use my discount code BBH20. That's going to save you 20% off each wig $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. Now you can use that code anytime you shop from now until February 28th of 24. So I got you covered. And if you're new to wigs and you feel a little bit intimidated about it, you know, you can always add accessories. And I feel like accessories really help, especially when you're new to wig wearing. Just any regular headband. You can buy them at the Dollar Tree. They don't have to be specially made. Stick your headband in. And who's gonna think that you're wearing a wig? It looks so cute. It just adds a little something else. You know, certainly you can put them up. You can use clips. You have seen me do that if you wanted to do a different look and do some of it over to one side and then maybe add a little barrette clip on one side. That looks cute. Nobody's gonna know. And if people are looking, I always find it's because they really like your hair. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look at the brand new Sophia and the brand new exclusive color Cinnamon Swirl. Oh my gosh, just perfect for fall, right? We can go get our pumpkin spice lattes wearing our cinnamon swirl wigs. I want to thank Paula Young again for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful new style, Sophia, and the new exclusive color, Cinnamon Swirl, to review for you today. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this new color, and let me know how you like this new style. Thanks again, everyone. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.